Has this ever happened to you? You're typing a document on your Mac, or maybe you're posting a comment on social media, or maybe you're creating the email signature for your business, and you're trying to find that TM symbol or an R in a circle for a registered trademark or a copyright symbol, and you get so frustrated because you just can't find them on your keyboard. So you ask around, maybe you Google, eventually you find them, but the next time you need to use them, it's the same story all over again, because they're just not on the keyboard. My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and I've used these characters probably thousands of times throughout my career. So I created the short video to make it easier for you to find these characters. So if you're using the Mac, watch this video and you'll know exactly how to find TM, R in a circle, or the copyright symbol. So here's how you access the trademark and the copyright symbols on a Mac. First, you're gonna press and hold the Option key. And then, if you want the TM symbol, you're gonna press number 2. And then you're gonna let go of both these keys. That's how you get the TM. If you want the R in a circle, you're gonna press and hold the Option key and then letter R. And then you're gonna let go of both of these. And if you want the copyright symbol, you're gonna press and hold the Option key and then the G key. That's how you get the copyright symbol. Now, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure you share it with your friend. And by the way, if you're using a different platform, maybe Windows or maybe an iPhone or an Android device, we have videos for that as well. And better yet, we created a free tool that you can use to access these characters regardless of the platform you're using. It works under Windows, under Mac, under iOS, works with Android, works with any device out there, and it's a free tool that you can access at tmf.rocks/type. TMF stands for Trademark Factory, so tmf.rocks/type. Just go there and use it anytime you need to type these characters. And I'll see you in the next video.